So let's get started with Webbyo. First, we create a new webinar. We give a name. It won't be shown or it won't be displayed to our attendees. Let's say affiliate marketing webinar. Okay. Recorded. I will choose recorded for the type, the time it will start, and the duration of the webinar, time zone, and the password. Here we can disable or enable it. If you want to protect your webinar with the password, you can just enable it in here and choose a 6-digit digit for the password, or just leave the auto-generated one. I will disable it for at the moment. For the appearance, this is what your attendees will see when they visit the registration page or the live webinar page, also the replay page. For the title, I will just put affiliate marketing webinar. Subtitle, you can put anything in here. Also for the description, you can describe what will be discussed in the webinar. For example, learn how to run your affiliate marketing business. For the logo, there is two types you can choose. The text and the image. For the moment, I will just use a text. I will call it off webinars, for example. Here is the color customizations. For example, if you want to change like the color, the primary color for the registration page and other pages, you can just come here and choose whatever you want as for the color. But for now, I will just leave it as it is. So I will just create the webinar. Our webinar is created. The second thing is you have to choose a video for your webinar because it's a recorded webinar. We click in here, then we go to the video creation wizard. Here we can put the video direct link. It should be hosted, for example, on your AWS bucket or on Google Cloud Storage. It should be a direct link ending with .mp4 or other video formats. I have already linked to a video which talks about affiliate marketing and stuff. I will just paste it in here. Also, we have a little video editor, so you can, when you are live streaming, you can enable like the intro. So you can put your brand here or whatever, like for example, as we said, off webinars, and the text color, let's say, or let's first choose I like to put this kind of blue, and here I would like to put it a little bit like white. Same for the ending or for the outro. You can customize it, but for now I will just disable them. And let's save the video first, and we click save. And that's cool. Let's go back to our affiliate marketing webinar. Right now we have almost the video, and we have initial info of the webinar. The second thing, or the next thing we're gonna do, is to provide the YouTube stream key and embed code, HTML embedding code, and other stuff. First, go to your YouTube channel and click go live. I will create a new stream. Let's call it Webbyo Affiliate Marketing Webinar. Here, I would like to leave it public and just leave it like it is, and create the stream. This will give us all the info we will need. First, we copy the stream key from here and we put it here. We go back to this button, share, click on embed, and copy the code, HTML code, paste it in here. Please don't change it or modify it, just leave it like it is and just save streams. We now have everything ready, but before I click start streaming, I want to check first how the registration page is looking like. So I will just go to webinars. This is the webinar I want. Let's preview the registration page. This is our registration page. Here is the logo we put and the other information. And here we can put in, like, let's say I am an attendee and I want to register for this webinar. So I will put my name and I will put my email and click register now. I am registered, and let's check the email. As you can see, I got a confirmation email from Webbyo about the affiliate marketing webinar, and here it's my email or my confirmation email. Let's go back to Webbyo and let's close this page first, and let's go back to Webbyo and let's check out how the live webinar page looks like. It's like this, nothing is streaming yet. So let's go back to Webbyo and start streaming. You can start streaming from the live control room. Dismiss this alert. And I would like to click here to start streaming. As you can see, the streaming is started. And let's go back and check out our stream health. It's excellent connection, and let's just wait for an input. As you can see, you can go live now on YouTube, so people can find you. And here is the webinar. Let's click go live, and it's Google Live right now. So if we go back to our webinar and we preview the live webinar page,
you could say technical,
we can see that the webinar is streaming.
Not really lack of technical ability, but it's a lot.
We can share the webinar to too many social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter and stuff. And let's close these windows. If you want to see these webinar attendees, you can go to attendees, and here you can get the list, and you can export it as well from here as .csv file. Another thing is, as long as we have the webinar video, we might want to syndicate it to other social media accounts. The thing is, you just go to syndication account, you add an account. Let's, for example, say Facebook. I would like to choose Facebook. I have already gave access before to Facebook, so I will just click continue. But for you guys, you just have to select the page you want to link with Webbyo. I will click cancel. I will just go back and I click continue as Ali. Okay, I have here two pages, but this is one page called Webbyo I created recently, and here another thing. Okay, so what I want to do right now is to syndicate the video, or another word is to send the video to Facebook from Webbyo, sorry. But another thing, let's connect also a YouTube channel. Okay, my channel is connected, so let's upload with one click the video to both of this YouTube channel and Facebook. We go back to webinars, we click on syndicate, webinar replay, tags or on description you can choose. Here let's put the pages, the plate or the accounts or the the channels you want to upload the video on. Let's click on syndicate now, and you can see that here our syndication process is added to the queue, and we can track it from here. Syndication report. YouTube is already syndicated. Let's go and check, and I will go to videos, and you can see here the webinar replay is processed already. And let's check Facebook as well. Let's just refresh this page. It's still in progress, and it will be syndicated as soon as it's done. And before I go, there is another cool thing in here, which is the tracking. For example, if you are running some Facebook campaigns and you want to track your conversions to different pages, you can just put the pixel in here, and you can choose the page pixel event code for the registration page. Facebook has too many pixel event codes, for example, view page, registration, and complete registration and stuff like that. You just can put, for example, here if the registration complete. If it's live, you can put another code. You can find all the codes on Facebook campaign support or something like that. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.